Hey guys, and welcome to our channel. And yeah, as you can see, we are back, and first of all I want to apologize because we haven't been posting a video for so long, and as some of you can see, we changed our language. So before we made videos in a German language, and we decided to change the language, and up till now, so to make YouTube videos or creating content in the English language, just because we decided to make something new, and maybe this is a better way for reaching more people. So this is the reason because we decided to change the language. I think for most people of you or the subscribers we still have, it's not a problem. And yeah, what are we going to do? So in the next few videos I want to show you how to create an application with the language C# and the framework WPF. So, and what we are trying to do in the next few videos is to write an application that can clean up your directory. As you can see, here is the first version of our application. It's just a window with a few buttons and a few fields where you can type in a name of a directory and choose another directory. The mechanic behind this application is quite simple, I guess. So you have to choose a directory you want to clean up, and then you decide, or you give a name to a new folder that you create inside this directory, and then you have to push this button here, and then the application cleans up everything inside this directory. So it creates a new folder with that name, you give it to it, and inside this folder it creates another folders with the extension of the files you have inside this directory. In a few seconds I show it in practice. And yeah, this is the first version. We are making quite simple, so it's not that complicated, and after that we are trying to make or to do that by the MVVM pattern. So, and this is our final version of the application. As you can see, it's quite similar to this one, but the design is quite better, and also the colors, but the mechanic is the same. So you also have to choose on directory, give it a name, and then you also can open the current directory, and here you have a table with all the extensions in this directory from all the files, and also here a few information, files in the directory and number of file endings. So yeah, this is how I set our final version, and maybe I can show you this in practice in a few seconds. So as you can see, here I have the final version of the application, and here I have my directory which I want to clean up. And what I have to do now is to choose this directory. So for this I have to push on this button here, and then I have to go here and then test files, test directory. This is this directory I want to clean up, so choose it, and then you can see the directory path here in this field, and also the table with all the extensions I have in it. And then if I want to, I can also open this directory by clicking off this button. And yeah, when I'm finished, I have to push on this button, clean up. So if I push on this button, I have to confirm that yes, I want to clean up this directory. And when I push here on yes, 1 second later, you can see we are creating a new directory, a new folder here inside this one. So let's try. Yes, I want to clean it up. And then we created a new folder with this name. And this is the current date, month and year. So let's go inside, and as you can see, we have a few more folders with the extension of the files we had in this directory we wanted to clean up. So, and if I go inside here, HTML, I have all the files with the extension HTML. And if I go inside, for example here, it have the same extension. So I guess you get it. Yeah, it's just a tutorial, it's just basic functions, so it's just a very easy application we are trying to make in the next few videos. So, and yeah, I want also to show you the basics of MVVM, so the proper way you have to develop an application for Windows with the language of C#. And I think C# is a very good language to learn, and you can use it for everything. So no matter whether web development or desktop applications for Windows, and you can also make Unity games with it. And yeah, but first we are trying to make this application, and after that we want also to make some tutorials or maybe some videos with Unity. So just develop some games. As you can see, we have the folder structure here, which we need for the MVVM pattern, and I have also a unit test, and all these things I want to show you in the next few videos. So we have a unit test, what is it for and how it can be done, or how you can do a unit test. I want to show you it by the next few videos. And here I have also the files we need, like view model and a model and a view. And yes, I think it's a very easy application. It could be also very useful for you if you have a lot of files on your desktop or another folder, so you can use this application to clean up all your directories. So it could be also very useful. I think that's a better tutorial than let's make a Hello World application with I don't know. I want to show you something you can use or is useful, and if you want to, you can also extend this application and give it more functionalities or more methods or whatever you like. So in the next few videos I also create a GitHub repository for this example and upload my application to the repository and post a link to this inside the description under the video. I hope you like it. So if you have some questions, please write it in the comments, and yeah, I see you in the next videos. So bye.